Hello, my name is Lisa. Today I want to present the progress on my project, Chinese Pavilion design. In particular, detail my texture in Maya and the technical process. And also I will discuss the key design decisions. And I already prepared, let me see my presentation. I already prepared the textures maps like diffuse, bump, and specular maps over here. And then look this 3D modeling image. And later I will be show you how make the 3D texture the maps in Maya and Photoshop. In this process, I researched some of the websites. As you see, it looks like the pavilion, traditional pavilion, such as the gray, the color tiles, and the red wooden, the painted column. And I consider this material and colors over here. I like the light blue color. Yes, a blue color, and also can emboss the pattern over here. The color looks like great. I consider marble and concrete slab the material, and I want to put my pavilion based design. Also, I add in a light text, light elements such as blue porcelain, like blue porcelain. So I researched the blue and white the porcelain, the image over here, and use a Chinese texture on my pavilion and detail wooden covering decoration my the pavilion. Okay, and I want to show my and technical as details over here. Let me see my model, 3D model. Yeah. Look at this interface. The first step is create a UV map. Click my object and using UV editor. Look at this the UV mapping over here. And we can add the different view and my object. For example, we can choose any one like elements, and looking at the UV setting, we can choose a different three like a view over here, and let's choose different texture face, and we can use a plane cylindrical and panel and spherical. Yeah, that's for example, and in different X, Y, 0 and Z different direction. This can later easily choose create my texture on Photoshop. Yes, we can see like as interface over here. As Maya interface, use look here, use a rectangle, like make sure my pattern are right setting. Yeah. Let me look at my work in going to the Photoshop. This is my pattern over here, and my we have a three texture over here: the diffuse, and the bump, and the specular. I use a different level, duplicate the new page over here, and then I select use a color range to add my different color and pattern is over here. So totally is you can change different color pattern over here. So this is my diffuse maps and dump maps is over here. I just use Photoshop to image and use like adjustment. Looks like this. Change something, image. Use like hue the saturation to add my saturation to the gray color. It's better to export my image. And also I already created this one, and this come back to the Photoshop, come back to the Maya. We can just put the textures on my project Pavilion. So how to get this one? Let me say this. I just click window and use like a render editor, and I can click. Look this way. I have the material and texture over here. Material I normally in the put some the number is over here. Look this is like shining the material over here. I just for example I show you, and it's like click this connecting, and they have the like photo here. Look this way, they have the my target file over here. We can change the different texture on here, diffuse, edit on here, and the bump, spatial, yeah, all of the things over here. So this is some I can create my design my texture over here. That's all my section. Come back to my presentation. Yeah, this is taking the process over here, and I have a design different shape, different color over here, and this is my created like a shape over here, like a pattern. As I will be like a design, you know, the blue, the porcelain, yeah, it's like the pattern over here, yeah. Look this. This is before I created this bit different as a like view, something like the 3D Maya. So lately so the like feedback, so I just changed this color and something need to add some details, and all the UV maps put on the UV mapping over here. Yeah, all the things like. Thank you for your listening.